Acne can be treated by introducing more vitamin A into the body. Vitamin A can be found in the form of retinol in liver and egg yolk, or in the form of carotene in many vegetables such as carrots, spinach, tomatoes, green leafy vegetables, asparagus, or in fruits such as melons, apricots, and oranges. In general, the vitamin A content is higher in dried fruit than in fresh fruit. For this reason, a walnut-based treatment can be useful. It is also necessary to avoid the consumption of sugars, sausages, and fried foods. Alcohol and coffee are also not recommended. Alcohol literally destroys vitamin A in our body. Vitamin B6 is also a good ally in the fight against acne. B6 is found in cereal sprouts, wholemeal bread, brewer's yeast, egg yolk, beef liver, and soy. Vitamin B6 is also contained in good quantities in fish, brains, cabbage, spinach, peas, and dried fruit. Vitamin B8, found in brewer's yeast, liver, kidneys, egg yolk, peanuts, dried peas, and mushrooms, also contributes to skin health. Finally, vitamin E has proven to be very useful for the skin, as has evening primrose oil, Enotera biennis. Wheat germ, hazelnuts, almonds, spinach, tomatoes, cod liver oil are the main sources of vitamin E. Abstaining from the consumption of dairy products and foods with gluten can be very useful in treating acne.